Did you know that there are more Irish people living outside of Ireland than within it? It's true. This small island has sent its culture, its music, and its people. But to truly understand Ireland, you have to go to the source. Forget the leprechaun-sized clichés you might have in your head. The Emerald Isle is a land of profound history, breathtaking landscapes, and a spirit that is as resilient as it is welcoming. Picture a map of Europe. Now look to the west, just past Great Britain. That beautiful green island is Ireland. It's divided into two parts, the Republic of Ireland, which is an independent country and covers most of the island, and Northern Ireland, which is part of the United Kingdom. We'll be focusing mostly on the Republic, a country of rolling green hills, dramatic coastal cliffs, and vibrant cities like Dublin and Galway. This compact island packs a mighty punch, so pack your rain jacket and an open mind. Ireland's history is not just something you read about in a book, it's something you can touch. The island is dotted with ancient stones, crumbling castles, sacred sites stretching back 5,000 years. Long before the pyramids, Ireland had passage tombs like Newgrange. Imagine standing inside a chamber dark for millennia. Then the winter solstice sun illuminates it. Later, the Celts arrived, bringing art, language. Christian missionaries arrived, like St. Patrick. See it in high crosses, close-ups of Christian scenes, and Celtic knotwork. Monks kept knowledge during Europe's Dark Ages, creating illuminated manuscripts like the Book of Kells. Ireland also faced turmoil. Vikings arrived, founding cities like Dublin. The Great Famine in the 1840s was devastating. That struggle shapes Irish pride and resilience today. While everyone flocks to the cliffs of Moher, and for good reason, Ireland is brimming with equally stunning yet lesser-known sights. For a truly dramatic coastal experience, head north to County Donegal and see the Slieve League Cliffs. They are nearly 3 times higher than the cliffs of Moher, and feel far wilder and more remote. In Dublin, it's easy to get caught in the tourist hub of Temple Bar, but the real charm of the city lies in its Georgian squares and the stories they hold. Take a walk around Marion Square and look for the colorful doors. The legend goes that 2 famous writers, George Moore and Oliver St. John Gogarty, lived next to each other. Soon it became a trend. Venture west to the Burren in County Clare. At first glance, it looks like a barren, rocky moonscape, but this is one of Ireland's greatest secrets. This limestone plateau is a botanical paradox, where Arctic plants, alpine plants, Mediterranean plants grow side by side. Look closely in the cracks and crevices, and you'll find a carpet of tiny, colorful wildflowers. It's also an archaeological treasure trove, littered with over 90 megalithic tombs. For a truly mystical experience, explore the islands off the coast. This jagged rock island was home to a remote monastic settlement from the 6th century. Climbing the 600 ancient stone steps to the top, you'll find remarkably preserved beehive huts where monks lived in solitude. Let's talk about food because, honestly, modern Irish cuisine is one of the country's most exciting and delicious secrets. For way too long, Irish food was unfairly dismissed as just boiled potatoes and cabbage. But today, a food revolution is underway. Chefs are really embracing the island's fields and waters. Fresh oysters from Galway Bay, sweet dingle crab lamb on green pastures, beef on green pastures. The secret is the quality of the ingredients. When you're here, try a proper Irish stew. Traditional stew, lamb or mutton, potatoes, onions, parsley, slow-cooked for hours until fall-apart tender. It's pure comfort in a bowl. Try a full Irish breakfast. Near the coast, seafood chowder, salmon, mussels, usually served with dense wheaty brown bread. Irish brown bread is a national treasure. Can't forget the cheese, Cashel Blue. Come to Ireland hungry. The food scene will be a highlight of your trip. The best souvenir you can bring home from Ireland is honestly a memory of the crack. Crack, pronounced crack, is a uniquely Irish term for fun conversation, good times. Finding it is really the key to unlocking the heart of Irish culture. The epicenter of crack is often the local pub. But an Irish pub is not just a bar. It's a community living room. When you enter a pub, especially in a small town, it's polite to give a general nod or a quiet hello to the room. When you're in a group, it's customary to buy drinks in rounds. Each person takes a turn buying a drink for everyone in the group. And here's a tip for the wise: pace yourself. The best time to visit Ireland depends on what you're looking for. The summer months of June, July, August. Best chance of good weather and long daylight but crowded. Personally, I prefer the shoulder seasons, April, May, September. Don't discount a winter trip either. Imagine warming yourself by a peat fire in a cozy pub. If you want to get truly off the beaten path, rent a car and explore the peninsulas of West Cork. The greatest secret of all is that the real Ireland is waiting for you just off the main road. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite Irish secrets? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep on traveling.